Should be a few little marking stones of its area around here. Like these little white ones. They're kind of in a circle. Oh wow, look at this side. He's been collecting a long time. Got so many pretty things in there. It's best just not disturb them. They spend a lot of time and effort getting all their little bits. So you can kind of see like that. The little markers of their area. Another one there. That's dangerous little creatures. Probably a few little bits of boulder open in there somewhere, but I'm not going to go digging around. Really a little old deep.